Hello, today we are going to cook knäckebröd, typical Swedish. Vamos a cocinar knäckebröd, típico sueco.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have seeds. We have different
What
seeds.
we have?
We have
Sunflower.
sunflower, pipas
sunflower.
de girasol. Yes.
Yeah, and that one. The
Y
way, I
calabaza.
think better we put in
Yeah,
better.
yeah. It's okay. And
Yeah.
then we have this.
What is
I don't know. What is this? What is this?
echo?
Linfrön.
Uh-huh.
I don't know in Spanish. I don't know in
Yeah.
English. I'm sorry. It's linfrön, but we can put more any kind of seeds. Okay, podemos poner cualquier tipo de semilla. But first with the flour.
Yeah.
Yeah, harina, and then this is flour with full corn.
Yeah.
In here, full corn. It says in here,
Mm-hmm.
and we put
Yeah. Okay.
the
Good.
flour in here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like this.
And then
Then we can put olive oil, or we are going to use coconut oil.
Yeah.
But we can put olive oil.
if we
with
have coconut oil, we can use
olive oil.
Not.
The coconut oil is good, is healthy, and then can be in high temperatures, like the olive oil also.
Yeah.
And then we put lingrön.
Yeah.
Lingrön.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Lingrön.
chickpea,
Yeah, no, not
okay.
chickpea, yes.
Yeah. And
Then
sunflower.
sunflower, pipas de girasol.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Not chickpea.
No, not chickpea. All.
And
yes.
pumpkin
And then pumpkin,
seed. Yeah.
calabaza,
Yeah. All.
all.
We don't have almond. No. This is
No, almond is too big. Yeah.
Slice maybe can
Maybe in slide, but we don't have.
in piece, small piece.
Or small pieces, yeah.
All kind of.
And then we have to put some water,
how many?
1 glass,
1 glass. Yeah.
Yeah. and then salt. Not too much,
One
just a
table-
bit.
One teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
Yeah.
Because we are going to put salt on the top.
Yeah.
We forgot the sesame.
Oi.
Oi. We have sesame. Oh, it's very good.
Put all sesame.
All sesame?
Yeah. Not
Okay.
entirely. Okay.
All sesame.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Good for
Okay.
your hand, your
Yes.
skin.
Good. Yes. Let's go to mix again. We have the flour.
3 layers.
We have
Nice.
we
look
have the
nice.
seeds,
Yeah.
and then the oil. But we
Yeah.
can put olive oil if we want.
Yeah. You have to use the roll. Yeah. The for the.
Yeah, the seeds has to be raw, not cooked. Pero las semillas han de estar crudas, no cocinadas. Porque las vamos a cocinar en el horno. We are going to cook in the
We
oven.
have the thing for
Yeah,
for,
yeah.
yeah.
Salt in
Sea salt.
in
Have to be sea salt.
Yeah.
Not
This-
the tiny one.
yeah, this kind of
Christian.
the
Crystal.
crispy crystal, yeah.
Yeah.
Crispy salt on the top. Also, with a pizza cut, we can make portions. And this is how it looks. Super crunchy. 15 minutes in the oven. Only 15 minutes.